Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to remove alphanumeric password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, lock your tablet and try to unlock your tablet. You will ask your current alphanumeric password if you have already set. Here I set it to Dacia24 and click on the tick mark. It says wrong password, so type correctly Dacia 2024. That is my current alphanumeric password. Now I would like to completely remove this alphanumeric password from my tablet, and I would like to use no password. So what I have to do is just follow this video. Just go to the settings of the tablet here, then go to security here. Click on security and click on screen lock and type your current alphanumeric password for authentication and confirmation. That is here Dacia 2024. Click on enter button. Now you have to choose none, and your tablet will ask you, that is a confirmation, remove device protection. Click on remove. Yes, remove, and yes, it has been removed. Now check it. Just lock your tablet and try to unlock. It will not ask your alphanumeric password hereafter. So in this way, you can easily remove alphanumeric password from your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.